How's it going, everyone? Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be the 3D Metal Mania TV Invitational, the group build, Invitational group build. And that's from my buddy from down under, Casey. Y'all know he lives on the little island of Tasmania down there in Australia. And he's one of my die-cast buddies, and he also dabbles a little in models, but he's mainly a die-cast restorer and customizer and builder, but he also does model kits. Well, he had a little invitational group build, and was all to be done by September 29th. Show ours on September 29th. It is not September 29th for me right now, but when you watch this video, it will be. And before we get this video started and show you what I've built, I want to thank all my subscribers, each and every one of you. If it wasn't for that, for y'all, I would not have a channel. I would not. You know, I'm not a good talker. Y'all know that. I don't really do very good tutorials or anything like that, you know. It is what it is. Y'all watch me for who I am. This is what I do. I love the hobby. I love models. It's been a part of my life ever since I was 5, 6 years old, guys. I've been messing with models so long. And, this channel here, I'll never ask you for a dime, never ask you to donate, never ask you to do nothing, guys. All I want you to do is enjoy my builds. And any other person that I mention on this video or any video I do, I always have a description below or a link below in the description for them and their video. Anybody in this community, I always try to help them out and boost them up. And y'all just support our modeling community here on YouTube, whether it be model cars, whether it be die cast, your Hot Wheels, your Matchbox, your Corgi, it don't matter. Whether it be, your RCs to your military modelers, to your figure painters, to your war gamers, it don't matter. If that's what y'all like, please support everybody. If you're watching this channel and you're not a subscriber, guys, it's absolutely free. It don't cost nothing to hit that like. Always hit the like, please. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. It just helps us as a community to get our content out there. Like I said, I won't ask you for nothing. I just ask you to watch, subscribe, hit the bell. And anybody else I mention, you might not like everybody's stuff, but at least go over there and give them a like or something. It don't matter. Support everybody in our community that you can. And if you're not a model or you're not a YouTuber and you like what we do and you like in the community, man, it's not hard. I do it from my Samsung right here. It's a Galaxy Ultra, whatever. I do it from my phone. I do it from my old phone. I do it from this phone. I rarely use any other form. Sometimes I do got a camera, but I barely use it. GoPro, I've used it before, but this is my main thing. And if you like what I'm doing, I'll shut up. Okay. That being said, this is the model that I built right here. This is a vintage Hubley kit. It is a metal model. It is more than likely 120 scale because it's not a 124 or 25. It's a little bit bigger. And it is one chunk of metal. And this thing right here, man, it gave me cuts and metal burrs and everything. But by God, I soldiered through it and I got her done. So I'll shut up, turn around, and check out everybody else today. The day that this goes up, the 29th, and look for the Casey's group build here, his invitational, and check everybody else's out too. All right, well, I guess I'll shut up now, turn this thing around, and show you guys what I've gotten done. Alright, KC, here she is. I got her done. This is a 19, I'm going to guess, 29, 30, 31 Model A pickup. It don't say on the box, it just says Model A pickup. Alright. And as you can see, I've done her in a dark blue and a light blue for the wheels, kind of a brown leather for the interior, and a tan top. This thing had no chrome parts. I had to paint everything with a chrome paint. The front does move. The wheels do move. You can see right there, they move. The steering wheel moves. I painted these white walls on there by hand. You can see right there, I painted the blue going down it. Did the little chrome door handles, the chrome going down the firewall, and the chrome going across the top. The only thing about this kit is it did not have the Ford stamped into the bed like it should actually have, but hey, it is what it is. You know, I guess these kits were designed back in the 60s or whatever, you know, and it's a big old chunk of lead. This thing weighs a ton, let me tell you. We could take this top off here. You can see nothing special. I just had to cut it down a little bit, do a little shaving in here to make stuff fit right a little bit better. Shave this down a little bit more so that tab would fit in there better. There's the inside. See if I can't get you. You can see right there, it's got the gear shifter. It's got the gauges. It's got your steering wheel, your seats. I even made the door cards for it because I had no door cards. You know, not a lot to the kit. Very simple kit, actually, guys. Let's see if we can get this thing turned over. It's such a chunk of lead. You can see right there, it's got the screws. Painted the engine. It's got what little bit of exhaust molded in that it does. It's got a metal drive shaft. It says Hubley right there. Like I said, the wheels do turn. The steering wheel turns. You can see that right there. Let's see if I can get this hood off. There's the engine. Well, how much you can see there. I did wire the engine, and you know, back in the day that would have been a braided threaded wire for the spark plugs there, but I don't have a braided threaded wire. I just used some copper line and just called it good. Nothing special, guys. Really nothing special to this kit, you know. I could have took the time and you know, I guess fixed like where it splits and goes together, you know, and stuff like that. But nah, I want to keep true to the kit. This is what it is. Like I said, it's nothing very special. It's just an old school Hubley model kit. Let's see. See, the wheels turn if you turn it. There you go. See, they turn. You get the gist of it. Alright, guys. I'll take some still pictures at the end here. Oh, look at that hood back on there right, though. There we go. That'll drive me stupid. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And for you know what the kit is, I tried to detail it for y'all as much as I could. Alright, guys. Go check out Casey's channel and all the others in the Invitational. And, stick around for the pictures. All right. Bye.